In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change who can access a file or folder in Dropbox. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently control who sees your content and what they're allowed to do with it. This is especially helpful if you're sharing sensitive documents, collaborating with a team, or just cleaning up who has access to your files. First, open your browser and go to the Dropbox website, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main Dropbox home, where you can see all your files and folders. Take a moment to find the specific file or folder you want to manage. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to quickly look it up by name. When you see the file or folder you want to adjust, move your mouse over it. On the right side, you'll notice options appear, including a button or link related to sharing. Click on the Share option. This will open a sharing window, which is where all the access controls live. In this sharing window, you'll see who currently has access. This might include specific people you've invited by email, members of a shared folder, or anyone who has a shared link. Take a careful look at this list so you understand the current setup before making changes. If you've shared the item using a link, you'll see link settings. Here, you can change who can access it through that link. For example, you can switch between options like only people you invite, people in your organization, or anyone with the link. Choose the option that matches how private or public you want the file to be. Next, check the permissions. For each person or group, you can usually choose whether they can view only or edit the file or folder. If you just want people to be able to look at the content without changing anything, set them to view only. If you're collaborating and need others to upload, change, or comment on files, give them edit access. Make sure you review these permissions carefully, especially for sensitive information. If there's someone who should no longer have access, find their name in the list and remove them from the sharing settings. This immediately revokes their access going forward. Once you're happy with who can access the file and what they can do, confirm or save your changes in the sharing window. That's it. You've successfully updated who can access your content in Dropbox and adjusted their permissions to match your needs.